Today I am featuring this big two-family house design with a turret at the top, and I will be coloring this house to my color of choice to make a difference. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. This is my two-family house design. Yeah, this is a big house, and I will be changing the color to my colors of preference to just please my desire. So tell me what you think. What color do you like? What color should I put it in? Let me know in the comment. So I will be changing the colors. And this house, some of you may like this color, some of you may not. I will be changing it to make a difference. So it is a two-story building, so I will do it in two shades of pink. So I'm doing the lower section first. So I will make a 360 turn for you to get a complete look right around the building, and then I will move on to changing the upper color. So now I will be changing the second story, the upper building color. I'll be using the color pink, but a different shade. Tell me what you think. Was the color before better than the color I'm putting on now? Optional. You can do whatever you want. You can put it in whatever color. On the base of this building, you can see where we have natural stone. So the base of the building is natural stone. So now that I add my upper pink, which is a much brighter pink, I will give you a 360 degree, a full rotation for you to see right around the building. So was the color before nicer than this color, or this color is nicer? Let me know. It's a choice of preference, you know. So that's a complete turn. So now I will be changing the color on the top of the parent. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Now we're putting this in the next shade of pink. Then I will give you, no, I change turn on the top. I will give you a complete turn, 360 degree turn for you to see right around. also the lower window, which I think these windows are bay window. Bay window, yes. I'll be changing the colors on the lower windows. I like this color. Some of you may not. But tell me your color of choice. You could even tell me what color to color this building in, and I could do it in a next video. So just send me your color of choice and I could color this building for you to see what it look like in the next video. So now I'll be coloring the window. Not all the window, but that the window that project out, I think that's a bay window. So, okay. So I give it in a kind of pink and white look. So there is 3 of this type of window in the building. We will color those 3 windows in there. We leave the other normal window in white. So as you can see on this side, these 2 they just have that cement look. So I'll be changing them as well. Just making my complete rotation for you to see. Tell me what you think about the foundation with the stones. Does it look like natural stone? It is natural stone, but what do you think about it? So now I'll be coloring these 2 windows. And I will do a video also with the inside of this building. There is no furniture or fixtures inside. It is empty. And the upper building, there is no partition as yet. It is just one big open space. So I can do video with all these things, put in the partition or putting the fixtures in the kitchen. Tell me what you want to see. And this is a case, if you don't like the windows white, we can change them as well. We can do anything with the color. Anything we can change the color. So now that we have all our windows, the bay windows, window with the project at the side. So you have 1 on this side, 2 on the next side. So this is a big 2-family house design. Tell me if you like this house. Tell me if you don't. So there you get it. Change the color from gray to pink. Different shade pinks. So let me know your views on this video. Tell me what you like about it. Tell me what you don't like about it. Tell me what color you would like to see it in. But do remember, I'm having problem with comments on my video with YouTube. This moment people can leave comment, the next moment they don't. So if you cannot leave any comment, you can drop me an email. You can drop me a WhatsApp. Just leave a whatever way you can reach me. Below this video there's a lot of way you can reach me. Just reach me and I can put it in whatever color or style you request. Thank you. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video.
Peace.